Hey, what's up fam? So we're going to be really looking over what I've been getting up to the last few weeks. This involves me doing a lot of meal prep, which has helped me massively through the day-to-day basis of just getting things done. So I want to run through that with you as well. I want to be going over my first ever jiu-jitsu competition and how I got on and what I kind of feel went well, didn't go well, and what I can learn from it. So let's go. So this competition was the first ever BJJ competition I've entered. I've entered as a blue belt, and it is the English Open 2019, which is one of the highest ranking events in the UK. So this was quite a challenge for me. This first fight here was actually the final. So I just want to get into a few of the highlights and positions I managed to get. So obviously using my judo ability there, I was making sure I could dominate, and again, holding on the ground wasn't too bad for me. These opponents were very tough. However, I just managed to keep the edge because of the amount of experience I've had prior to this competition. So there were 24 people in this category, and I managed to get through to each round fairly comfortably. But I noticed some positions, my hips were quite high, and weight wise as well, it's the lightest I've been in about a year. So I weighed in at about 81 kilos, which for me was really light considering I'm normally towards the 90 mark. So but pound for pound, I wasn't too bad. But again, not the best posture at the moment, being on my knees, but I still managed to control, so it's all good. So let's just start off with this meal prep. So I started off buying a 200 litre freezer, which I got locally. This is just so I can store the high volume of food, and that's just me being a poser as always. Kind of cool, huh? Okay, so I started off really getting all the pots together, and mainly starting with the chicken. I got 3 packs of chicken, which cost about £60, but it's 15 kilos worth of chicken, and I cut it all up and then marinated most of it, as well as kept some of it plain. As well, did a bit of hunter's chicken, as you can see, and I did some pasta meals with spaghetti bolognese and loads of little bits. So it worked out really well. So I had some evening meals which I can enjoy, as well as quite a few work meals with all the chicken, as you can see there now. So it was really balanced, as well as gave a bit of variety. So, and this is how it all worked out. So most of it I froze up, and the rest is history. There we go. So as you can see, 200 mils, it's quite a lot. But the only thing is, doing stuff like this, is it actually going to be beneficial? Is it going to really work within my lifestyle? And to be honest, so far, it's worked really well, and I'm pleased the way it's kind of gone. So the most important thing as well is it actually helping me and making me progress a bit further, and it is. However, I'm losing weight still, but to be honest, I'm not losing much size, which is good. So I know that it's coming off in the right way. So I'm actually getting more lean, which is fantastic. I took a picture the other day, check it out. So I don't know if you can see the difference, but I definitely feel like I've definitely got leaner over the last few weeks. So cool, that's always a plus. And I'll just show you quickly, where I am at the moment. I've been a little bit flat. However, hopefully you can see some sort of result from this, massive meal plan that I'll be doing. So yeah, that's it. I'll leave you there, and I'll check in again soon. See you later.